Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, May 11th, 2011. Today we had a total of 3 executable trade signals for a max potential of 1 ES tick. This video is for educational purposes only. It's intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed by our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we had a pre-market setup that happened this morning right after 8:30, and that was a signal to get short, and that did produce a nice move to the downside that would have put a couple of points in your pocket had you taken that. However, it wasn't a valid signal entry for us. We normally have a half gap trade where we look for, and the profit target was just too small on that trade with the gap, and we don't take our normal full swing entries unless we're trading towards what would be a pre-market half gap. So that trade did not qualify. We're not going to count it in our video results, but we did have some room members that were in that trade, and it did provide some nice opportunities for them. We came down, and the market just continued to walk down our gold line, and there was actually an opportunity to trail that particular move down all morning long. And it wasn't until after 11 o'clock we actually had our first signal of the day. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 5 ticks, and we were basically done for the morning. As soon as the dead zone hit, the market started to sell off quite hard. We did not participate in that move at all. Again, we do not initiate any new trades during the lunchtime dead zone, so the move to the downside was a non-event for our trading plan owners. It wasn't until after the dead zone was over. Now, we had another signal to get short happen right near the end of the dead zone. The problem was we have a very specific rule on entry, and this one missed our rule by just a fraction of a tick. So we did not take the short to the downside. The market ended up pushing down again. It wasn't until it came back through the moving average we had a signal to get long. We were able to get our first contract, no follow through to the upside. And then there was another signal to the downside, and this is one of those situations where the market came down, hit our entry level, and hit its target, but it only hit our entry level on a 1 candle. So I'm not going to even assume that anyone got filled. That was just a very quick move, went on to T2, so that cancel the order, and we call that a no fill. So we're not going to count the downside for any points at all because of the 1 candle just hitting your target. And then there was a push to the upside. We actually had a signal long, and that signal got stopped out without making a new high, so it ended up with a T1 minus 2. Although the market did push up until the 3:30 reversal time, after we get our first position off, we adjust, so T1 minus 2. So all in all, it looks, we had 3 trades, only 1 tick, but there was plenty of opportunities this morning on that down move. They just are not what we call official entries, and so we don't count them in the way we score our videos here, but there was definitely opportunity to take advantage of that push down with the market. However, during the lunchtime dead zone, we did not initiate any new trades, so we did not capture that piece of the market sell-off. So anyway, 3 trades, 1 ES tick. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.